This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and confirming your country because codes are region-specific. Once done, open the Daraz app or website and scan top banners and the homepage for promo tags. Make sure to tap the vouchers and hot deals sections. These often list single-use or site-wide codes. Also check individual seller pages. Brands sometimes publish exclusive coupons. This immediate search gets you the most current codes before moving into deeper verification steps. Next, dig into details. Filter for coupons, flash sales, brand promos, and bank offers because each has different rules. Then cross-check external sources like the seller's social posts, official newsletters, and in-app chat. They often announce limited codes. Once you find a code, read its terms, minimum spend, applicable categories, expiry, and user limits, so you don't try applying an incompatible coupon. If a code is hidden behind a claim button, make sure you claim it before checkout. At checkout, paste or select the claimed code and confirm the discount appears in your order summary. Make sure totals update before payment. If the code fails, check region restrictions, eligibility, new users, first-time buyers, minimum spend, and expiry. These are the most common causes. If everything seems correct but it still won't apply, clear cache or try another device, then contact seller or Daraz support with screenshots and order details. That evidence speeds resolution and often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.